You know, I thoroughly enjoy the mountain biking through the woods, but this is what I really like to do. I like to go out exploring where there's no trails. Just go out into the woods. Looks like there's a clearing up there. I've already walked this a pretty good distance. I think I'm going to go down there. It looks like there's a clearing, and I want to check it out. The smells that you come across when you're way out here, it's crazy. It's like perfume. So this is the clearing that I saw. Let's take a look. It's not much of a clearing at all. Do I get to the other side on that thing? This thing just goes on and on. Oh, cool. There's helicopter things. Neat. Here's where I was. I gotta get my fly rod. Aha! I knew it was around here somewhere. My fly rod kept catching everything as it was sticking out of my backpack. So I dropped her